Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new here, then hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. So I'm gonna go ahead and apologize right now for the audio quality because of the fact that obviously I'm still trying to get it worked out, and my usual place that I would do all this kind of stuff, the vent doesn't shut off. So yeah, there's that. So I do apologize, but let's go ahead and get into it. So I already have my primer, foundation, setting powder, and all that stuff on, but I'm going to be testing out a palette from BH Cosmetics, and it is the Daisy Marquez, and I love the packaging. I will say I have dipped into this a little bit just because of the fact that I wanted to play with makeup, but I didn't feel confident enough to actually like sit down. But yeah, so this is super cute. It's very like hard or whatever. Once you open it though, look at those beautiful colors. So and I do love the fact that this like sets in there or whatever. Like I don't have to mess with it. But I dip into Bittersweet, which is like a red color, or a maroony pink color, my bad. Vintage, Stunt, and Bougie. Now, as you can see, I did dip into this row right here. Freaking fantastic. Like, every color was just phenomenal. I went into the next row a couple days later because, again, I just wanted to play with makeup and I didn't feel confident enough to actually just, like, sit down in front of a camera because I'm still transitioning to this hotel life. But, yeah. So, I dipped into this row. Okay, the white, non-existent. The mint color here, Daisy, or whatever, it disappeared. Like, it literally was just gone. And it kind of made me mad, not gonna lie, because I thought, like, I was gonna have this whole chocolate chip mint fantasy, and pff, did not happen. So not only are we gonna play with this super cute palette, I'm hoping today's look hits it off, but we are also from BH Cosmetics gonna be using some brushes. Oops, I forgot, there's two sides. But, yeah, these are supposed to be 100% vegan friendly, and cruelty free, which is really nice. No, I'm not vegan. No, I don't go out of my way to buy vegan products. But yeah, I did obviously use this one for like one of the pink colors in there, just because I felt like it. Like, honestly, these are some of the best brushes I think I've ever used. The only ones that I have not used are the blending one and this little pointy guy. I have used this one a lot. Actually, with this one, I use it almost daily just because, like, I can give my eyebrows just a quick little boom. And now look, they don't look freaking bushy and horrific. Which actually, I'm having a really good brow day, not gonna lie. But, yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so obviously I went ahead and filled my brows in off camera, but we're just gonna this to make them not look so drawn on, because that's one thing I don't like, is I hate the fact that I have, like, right here is really good, but then you get out here and I have, like, no brows right there. So I do like to kind of feather, like, once I fill them in, just kind of like feather it out a little bit, fix her a little bit. Maybe I need to, like, fill the other side in a little bit more. I freaking hate brows. I really do. I really, 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 really hate brows. Like, that is the worst thing, or whatever. Like, I suck at doing brows, but watch all these cringy faces that I make when I am applying my eyeshadow. Put a timestamp in over here somewhere. obviously I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna pop in some eyeliner and some mascara and, you know, just kind of finish my face off and all. Alright, so I know now all of a sudden I'm in my truck doing this. Basically what happened is my husband came home and kids and life, so here we are. I'm getting ready to go to Walmart, but kind of like is forcing me to go out in public looking like this, which is happy with it. I don't feel scared to go out in public looking like this. The orange had me a little bit scared just for the simple fact of it wasn't really sticking and it wasn't really showing up. But I mean, other than that, I mean, granted, yeah, my glasses like cover everything, but yeah, so here I am going out in the world in a look that I've never really gone out in the world with because I never feel confident in myself. But today, we're saying screw that because I look freaking amazing. But
so call it what you call it. Murder on the beat. Draco in the front.